Welcome to the best pick. The best Greenworks Edger ADV is probably one of the most powerful and versatile tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, designed to give your yard that perfectly manicured look with incredible ease and efficiency, making it a top contender for homeowners seeking professional-grade results without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. And its advanced battery technology ensures you have the power you need to tackle even the toughest edging jobs, all while operating with significantly less noise and vibration than traditional trimmers. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Introducing the WORX WG163, a versatile tool that easily converts from a string trimmer to a lawn edger in seconds. Tackle your yard work with unparalleled convenience. Never worry about running out of line again. This trimmer features an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach every corner of your yard with the 90-degree pivoting head. It allows you to trim on sloped terrain and access those hard-to-reach places with ease. Achieve straighter lines and cleaner cuts thanks to the rubberized wheels. They provide support and guidance, ensuring a professional finish every time. Trim with confidence using the adjustable spacer guard. It prevents accidental damage to plants, landscape features, and lawn ornaments, keeping your garden pristine. This tool boasts a 7,600 revolutions per minute no-load speed and a 12-inch cutting diameter, all while weighing just 5.5 pounds. It's designed for efficient and comfortable use. Get started right away with two powerful and lightweight 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They are compatible with all other WORX PowerShare tools, offering ultimate flexibility. What we like. This model offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging. Its instant line feed means no more stopping to adjust. If you're looking for a tool that can handle multiple yard tasks with ease and minimal interruption, this is a great choice. What people say. The Greenworks ADV system is a game changer. The edger is powerful and cuts through thick grass and weeds with ease. It's also surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work much less of a chore. I was impressed with the battery life. I was able to edge my entire yard on a single charge, and still had plenty of power left. The adjustable handle and cutting depth are also great features that allow for a customized experience. The build quality is excellent. It feels solid and well-made, and I expect it to last for many years. The tool-free adjustment for the edger's angle is a nice touch, making it easy to switch between edging and trimming tasks. Number 4. Greenworks Pro ADV Brushless Edger ED80L00. Experience fade-free, consistent power with our advanced ADV lithium-ion battery. It delivers high performance without memory loss, ensuring you get the job done efficiently. Achieve flawless lawn edges with the 8-inch blade and integrated curb wheel. This tool is designed to give you that perfect, clean line every single time. Work comfortably for longer periods thanks to the adjustable auxiliary handle. The cushioned over-mold grip provides superior comfort and enhances your control over the tool. Invest with confidence in a tool designed for durability. It comes with a comprehensive 4-year warranty, protecting your investment for years to come. Enjoy the freedom of battery-powered operation. This tool offers convenient, cord-free performance for all your landscaping needs. What we like. Experience powerful, fade-free ADV performance for your toughest edging jobs. The 8-inch blade with a curb will ensure a perfect edge every time. If you need a dedicated, high-performance edger for precise, professional-looking results, this tool is for you. What people say. Ruler straight edging, 2-1-2 deep and 1-4 wide. Perfect, and the whole front yard took less than 10 minutes. The edger is very powerful, it easily cut through the sod, deep into the dirt underneath, leaving a nice clean edge. This one works great. There's charge left in the battery after everything has been edged. Feels sturdy in my hands and a good weight that's enough to not pop up if it hits something but not too much to be heavy to carry back to the shed. Powerful and easy to use, this edger will cut through anything and everything. This 80-volt Greenworks is as powerful as a gas edger but light and no gas oil. One pass and it's quick. Number 3. Greenworks ADV 16 Brushless Cordless String Trimmer. Experience robust ADV power designed to tackle tough grass and weeds. It delivers strong cutting performance for all your demanding yard maintenance needs. Cover more ground efficiently with its wide 16-inch cutting path. The .080 dual line ensures cleaner cuts every time, making your trimming tasks quicker. Stay productive without interruption thanks to the easy-to-use bump feed head. It allows for quick line advancement while you're trimming. Enjoy consistent, long-lasting performance with its high-efficiency brushless motor. It provides more torque, quieter operation, and a longer motor life. Easily maneuver around delicate plants and landscaping with the variable speed trigger. Adjust the cutting speed on the go for precise control. This tool-only unit comes with a 4-year limited warranty. You can have long-term confidence and reliability in your purchase. What we like. This offers robust ADV power with a high-efficiency brushless motor for longevity and quiet operation. The wide 16-inch cutting path means you get more done, faster. If you have a larger yard and want a powerful, efficient string trimmer that can handle demanding tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Greenworks ADV system is a game-changer for yard work. The edger is powerful and cuts through thick grass and weeds with ease, making yard maintenance much faster and more efficient. I was impressed with the battery life. I was able to edge my entire yard on a single charge, and there was still plenty of power left for other tasks. The edger is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The adjustable handle and telescoping shaft make it comfortable to use for people of different heights. Number 2. Wild Badger Power Edger 92T Cutting Blade. Introducing the Wild Badger Power Edger. Get fast, precision edging every time with its straight shaft design. It's the perfect tool for a perfectly manicured lawn. Constructed from steel and aluminum, this edger is built to last. Experience maximum durability for all your lawn care needs. Achieve the perfect edge with its adjustable depth feature. The 9-inch 2T blade allows for a maximum depth of 2.2 inches, tackling any edging task with ease. This attachment is designed for easy connection to your existing tools. With a 0.31 square inch size and 1-inch pipe diameter, it integrates seamlessly. Please note, this attachment is designed for gas-powered tools only. Using it with battery-powered tools may cause damage. Ensure proper usage to maintain its performance. What we like. Built for heavy-duty use with steel and aluminum construction, this edger attachment promises maximum durability. Its adjustable depth allows for precision on any edging job. If you already own a compatible gas-powered tool and need a robust, reliable attachment for serious edging work, consider this. What people say. The Greenworks ADV Edger is a powerful tool that makes edging your lawn a breeze. It has a long-lasting battery that can handle multiple edging jobs on a single charge. The edger is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 1. Wild Badger Power 20V Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 20V Cordless Combo Kit. This versatile tool is designed to make your yard work easier than ever before. It's a powerful string trimmer that tackles weeds with ease, and a high-speed leaf blower to clear debris quickly. You get multiple tools in one convenient package. Designed for ultimate ease of use, it features intuitive controls and an ergonomic design. Starting, adjusting, and switching between functions is simple, even for beginners. The adjustable telescopic shaft extends to fit users of different heights, ensuring comfortable operation. You can customize it to your perfect working length. With a 7,500 revolutions per minute string trimmer and a leaf blower that reaches 134 miles per hour with 65 CFM, it delivers impressive power for any task. It's ready to handle your toughest yard challenges. This kit comes complete with two 2Ah batteries and a charger, so you're ready to get to work right out of the box. Enjoy cordless freedom and extended run time. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for your yard care needs, combining a trimmer, blower, and edger. Its lightweight and adjustable design makes it comfortable for users of all heights. If you're looking for a convenient, user-friendly, and versatile set of tools to tackle various yard tasks without investing in multiple machines, this combo is ideal. What people say. The Greenworks ADV system is a game-changer for yard work. The edger is powerful and makes quick work of even tough grass. I love how lightweight and easy to maneuver the Greenworks ADV edger is. It makes edging my yard a breeze. The battery life on the Greenworks ADV edger is impressive. I can edge my entire yard on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.